So dear students, in our last section we have seen the conversion of infix to postfix, and today we will see the algorithm for conversion of infix to prefix expression. So starting with the particular example, what is coming in the section is that nothing but the parenthesis. So whenever we are getting any particular parenthesis, we will move it into the stack, which is which will be the part of stack, but it will not be the part of output. We know that whenever we are converting the expression into any prefix or postfix expression, we are having three parts, that is input, stack and output. So whenever parenthesis encountered, we will move that onto the stack and then we will start with the expression. Now as we are dealing with conversion of infix to prefix expression, we will scan the elements of expression from right to left. In infix to postfix, we have scanned the expression from left to right, but when we are converting the expression from infix to prefix, we will scan the elements from right to left. And after scanning, we will be visiting each and every element of the expression and we will repeat the steps as below. Suppose any operand is encountered. Now this is common for all the conversion, infix, postfix, prefix. So whenever any particular operand is found or encountered, then it will be directly moved to the output expression. It will not be moved to stack at any condition. So whenever there is the operand is found, it will be moved to the output expression. And if right parenthesis encountered, then what we will do, whenever we are getting the parenthesis, we will move that to the stack. So whenever we are getting the right parenthesis, we will be moved to that into the top of the stack. Now if the left parenthesis is found or encountered, then what we will do, now if we are having the right parenthesis, we are keeping it on the top of the stack, and when we are keeping it in the top of the stack and still after that we are getting the left parenthesis, then we will pop the particular operators that are present on the stack and that will be moved to the particular output. Means whenever we are having the right parenthesis as well as the operators in the particular output, and if we are getting the left parenthesis, then whatever operators are present in the stack, that will be moved, that will be popped and that will be moved and added to the output expression. And after adding them to the output expression, we will remove opening and closing parenthesis from the stack. So if the operator is encountered, then we will find out the priority of the operator. Suppose if the incoming priority is higher than the present, then we will pop it from the stack and we will move that operator onto the output. And suppose if it's not the condition, if the priority is same or less, then we will encounter or add that operator onto stack, and again we will start with our next step, that we will scan the next element. Means we have to check the priority of the operator. If the priority is higher, then we will move it to the particular output expression, but if priority is lower, then we will be keeping it or adding it on the stack, and then again we will be moved to our next expression or next element. So the steps will be repeatedly used till the last element is present at the left hand side, because we are scanning our expression from right to left, and in this way we can convert the infix expression to prefix expression. So what is prefix? In prefix, the operator is present before the operand. Means suppose we are having this particular expression which is called as the infix expression, then this is what the operator is present in between the operands, that is called as the infix expression. And prefix of this will be, operands will be A, B, and operator will be present before the operands, that is plus AB. that is called as prefix. Whenever the operator is present before the operand, that is called as prefix, and this was the technique or algorithm by using which we can convert the expression from infix to prefix. Thank you.